Who would have thought Bangsar, that is a vast developing urban area, would have a land that was initiated by a fellow to open a farm in the middle of a city? Kebun-Kebun Bangsar is a small place for the public to plant fruits, vegetables and such for free, and the products from the farm would be distributed to the community and people in need. Every weekend is when the public would come to gotong royong together. They would clean up the weeds and such to plant more plants. Visitors are exposed to a typical Malaysian village environment, surrounded by fruit trees and farm animals in a safe yet fun setting. Adding to that, they can grow their own vegetables here to take home for consumption. Offers close interaction between humans and animals. Volunteer can pet and learn more about the animals such as chicken, geese, turkey, duck and cow. Kebun-Kebun Bangsar is definitely the destination of choice for families, regardless the walk of life and age, to be in this kebun in the middle of a race condominium and shopping complex development.